Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul and I'm back in New Zealand near the Port of Napier. As you can see on the screen, we're not far from Napier Airport, so we are in controlled airspace. And today I have permission to fly up to 200 feet thanks to the air traffic controllers. Today I'm here hopefully to film the departure of the Viking Orion cruise ship from the Port of Napier. This ship was built in Italy and is 228 meters long with a draft of 6.45 meters, has a capacity of 930 passengers in 465 cabins, and there are 265 crew. And there she is coming into view now as she's just making her way out of port, escorted by some of the tugs that operate in the Port of Napier. I'm filming this on the Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025. So she's been in for the day, bringing international tourists in, mostly Americans, but with a few Australians and some other nationalities. They've all had a good day ashore and now making their way to their next port of call. Notably, on January the 2nd in 2023, this ship was asked to leave New Zealand waters due to excess algae and barnacles on the hull. It was subsequently prohibited from docking in Adelaide, Australia for the same reason, causing passengers to be stranded on board. All in all, 4 port stops on their cruise were missed, and the cruise line had to hire divers to clean the hull whilst it was out in international waters before it could return. Happily, no such problems this time, and so let's sit back and enjoy the pictures.